5, 6. Here's the next rule. If you're dealing with 20 or more, no, 21 or more, because it's 20 or less, so 21 or more, you just write the number of protons, not draw them out. And then with the electrons, we're only dealing with the important electrons.
The outside one.
The outside ones. They're all important, but the most important one. And so, to find the number of outside electrons, what we're supposed to do is find the number of electrons available for bonding, the ones on the outside. We find barium, we slide our finger up, and there's a nice big 2A. So that means on the outside I should draw 2 electrons. So I'm just going to pick anywhere to put them. 2 electrons. You have to promise me that you know there are 56 electrons floating around, but there's only 2 on the outside. And those 2 are the most important. Those 2 are the most important. For sure. Okay? So, they're the ones available for bonding. Those are the outermost electrons. Alright, then finally, chlorine. Chlorine. Because chlorine is less than number 20, I'm going to go ahead and draw 17 little protons. Protons. Because chlorine is in row number 3, I'm going to draw 3 energy levels. And because of its location on the periodic table, where we start with energy level number 1. And in energy level number 1, we've got hydrogen, and way over on the right-hand side, we've got helium. I'm going to put 2 electrons in that first energy level. Electron 1 and electron 2. I'm counting or walking through the periodic table until I get over to fluorine. These should line up.
Oh my god. 8 in the second ring or what? 2 in the first, 8 in the second. How many in the second? What's the max? 8 in the second. 8. Yeah.
Good. So in the second energy level, I'm still trying to count over to chlorine, and I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the second energy level, I can draw 8 electrons.
8, right?
Yeah. 8 electrons in the second energy level.
Okay.
And then finally in the last energy level number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Oh, I did the wrong number.
7. And that's chlorine, the most important part of chlorine. 17 protons, very important, not the most important part. 3 energy levels, very important, not the most important. 17 electrons, very important, not the most important. The most important thing you could tell me about electrons on the outside. 7 electrons on the outside. And that's because it's in column 7.
Electron packs.
No,
Okay.
level.